going on YouTube? It's your boy DeVintage, man. I'm sorry guys, I have already opened up the box, man, but I told you I'm waiting on this shoe since, actually I can tell you the order date when I get inside the box, but I already unboxed the sneakers, man. I have them right here. Here they go, man. I already have them, bro. And I had to see them. I've been waiting for too long to see these things, you feel me? And they finally here. As you see by the box, you probably already know what they are, man. I ain't gonna get too close to the camera, man, cause I don't wanna be all in your face, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna be all in your face, bro. But here you have it, an Air Jordan 4 box. You should know what they are, like I said. But yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. I had to get inside of the box. I had to see the shoe. So I already seen it, so it's not gonna be my first reaction, guys. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, enough crying. Let me show y'all the kicks. Here you have it. Let me show y'all the, hold on, I gotta, you know what I'm saying, I gotta give y'all a little FaceTime on the video, man. So here you go right here, size 9.5, and them Air Jordan 4 things, you feel me? As you can see by the size tag, you should already know what kicks we got in store, man. Let's peel it open. Bam, there you have it, baby. Air Jordan 4 Travis Scott's, man. I've been telling my subscribers, like, hitting it that I got a pair of shoes, got some heat, man. And what's crazy about this shoe is, the resale went way down. Like, the resale was like 5 something when they first dropped, and now you can get a pair. I got these actually in size 9.5 for cheaper than what I got, that I would have got my size 9. And the price is all the way down like at $350 right now. So crazy, bro. So the shoe I feel like was too hyped up for what it was worth. And as you know, the Travis Scott Forces, they're going for like $600 right now, $700. So that resale went down and it went back up. So that's why I feel like whoever trying to sell, you a reseller, sit on these for a while. The resale is gonna go back up because they did not make a lot of these kicks, man. They made enough, but not a lot. So the resale will go back up. That's why I'm contemplating on, you know what I'm saying, rocking these things side of spring. You know I'm gonna rock my kicks, man. Always rocking my kicks. But here you have it, Air Jordan 4 Travis Scott's. The Cactus Jack things right there, as you can see, man. And I did get these some StockX verified. Bam, bam, got the Cactus Jack on the back. These things is just butter, man, just straight butter. I needed them in the collection. And I told people, like, I got a pair of kicks that I needed to have, man. I spent a little over retail, or a lot over retail, but like I said, I need to have them. Here you go, the right shoe, Air Jordan 4 Cactus Jack. Just that colorway is just crazy, man. There's nothing inside. But let me tell y'all when I ordered these real quick. Like, I ordered these shoes, where the date at? Oh, June 12th, 2018. So it took close to a little over 2 weeks. What's 2 weeks? June 12th. Y'all know I can't do math, man. But close to a little over 2 weeks. And I got a buyer's reward of $13.95 off. So shouts out to StockX for that, man. I appreciate that. And let me go ahead and just get the box out the way. Okay, here we have it again. Air Jordan 4 got that wax laces. I've been seeing a lot of pictures on Instagram with the red laces. I might throw them in there, man, because you know it's got only a little bit of hits of that red and the sock liner and then a jump man back here. But bruh, just this shoe, I know people tired of seeing them, like my man Sniper Jones said on his channel. But these motherfuckers, they fire, bruh. These are look at the colorway. Look at the little Cactus Jack back there. Just Jordan Brand giving us something different, man. Everybody want the different stuff this year, and we getting it. Jordan Brand is actually hitting us with some different stuff. Like, I appreciate what Jordan Brand is doing right now. And they just gonna keep taking my money, man. This shoes is just too fire, but I can't pass up on them. And actually, when these released, I was at work, and I had no signal, and I couldn't even try to get them on the sneakers app, man. So that was an L. But as y'all know, man, I've been copping the stuff that I like. Y'all know I don't cop shoes just because of what they worth, what they gonna be worth. If they hyped or not. Y'all know I cop what I like, and this colorway was different, and I just had to cop, man. Just like the Michigan 12s that's on the way. People thought about my thumbnail, I guess they commented too early saying, damn, HeGotKickz shipping to you fast, but they're not here. They should be here the end of this week, hopefully Friday or Saturday. I should get them kicks, man. and I cannot wait to have them in hand in collection. Another thing, I got y'all here. I'm going to get a lot of drop front cases. I got somebody back in the States that's gonna help me out. I'm gonna ship them to his crib, and then he gonna ship them to me because I cannot ship them overseas without paying that big, hefty shipping price for international fees, man. So cannot wait to get more drop fronts. You see a lot more all the way up the wall, and hopefully I can get it to where I can move this around and have one of these shelves right here. You probably won't even see that after I get all my drop fronts, man. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. Just big things coming for the channel, you feel me? Or just big things coming for me as a sneakerhead. I just like the journey. I like what's going on right now with Jordan Brand and sneakers releases in general. So if you haven't checked out my last video, make sure you go give me your opinion on the Air Jordan 3 international flights and the Air Jordan 10 Westbrooks. But that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, make sure you follow me on Instagram and on Twitter. All the links will be in the description box below. And let me know how y'all feel about these bad boys right here, man. Let me know. Just straight butter, man. Straight butter. Crazy. So with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one, man. Peace.